Hello guys, welcome to the 28th session of the ASP.NET Web API 2. In a previous session we have created the custom controller selector method for versioning our API by using the query string. In this session we are going to modify that selector for the custom header. We have already see how we can pass the header in our request, such as the accept and the authorization. We can also pass our custom header. And by using those header we can identify the version of the request. Let's switch to Visual Studio. Those three lines are used to retrieving the version number from the query string. Instead of this, now we are going to retrieve the version number from the headers. For this I am going to comment it and use the string variable name header name equal to x employee version and check that if our request dot header contains that header name, then version number equal to request dot headers dot get values of header name dot first or default. Let's save and run it. Let's copy URL and switch to the push. Paste the URL, specify the app.employee. Header need to specify x employee version 2. Click on send. You can see that it written the employee with the department name, that is employee version 2. Let's write 1 and click on send. It written the employee version 1. Let's remove and click on send. By default it will return the version 1 because we have write it. Problem with this method is that if we specify our header multiple time like that, it produces a 404 not found error. However, the employee version 1 exists. Let's debug our request. Put the debugger and click on the send request. Step into the you can see that the version number is now 1, and after the statement it becomes the 1,1 instead of the 1. Because of it received the multiple header of the same name, it written the value by comma separated, and the version become the 1,1. And in the below condition we are checking that if the version is 1, then controller name would be that, and for 2 will be that. But version is not the 1 and 2, means it does not update the controller name, and our default controller name is the employee. So it will try to find the employee controller, so it generates the 404 error. To solve that error we need to write if version number dot contains comma, then version number equal to version number dot substring from 0 to version number dot index of comma. Let's switch the pointer to the top. Press the F10 for step out. You can see that the version number is 1,1, which was previously, and now after the statement it becomes the 1. After which 1 equal 1 condition become a true and our controller name will be changed to the employee v1 which was present. Let's press continue. You can see that it returned the version 1. Let's modify to the 2. However, it will return the data for the version 1 because we are retrieving the version from the index 0 to the comma. Means we are identifying the version from the first custom header. We just need to check the request.header contain the our custom header name. If the content, then we need to get the value, and if the value contain the comma, then we need to substring it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.